Max Tech digital multimeter. By using this multimeter, we measure DC voltage, AC voltage, DC current, value of resistance. Digital multimeter, where here is a stand, so we can put this multimeter also like this and see reading on the display. Now see here are 3 jacks at the bottom, where this is 10 ampere DC. Then this is common jack, and this jack is diode, volt, ohm and milliammeter for this. And this black wire is connect this common point. Press this button into this jack when we use this multimeter, and this is positive terminal. For general purpose, we put it in this jack to check voltage, DC voltage of such dry batteries or LED, or value of resistance to measure, or to check diodes, HFE. Now see, on this digital multimeter there are some signs are shown on this multimeter. This sign is for DC, voltage DC, and by rotating this selector, we put this selector on like this, and here is voltage AC 600 and 200. Range is here 600 and 200 voltage, AC voltage. By selecting this value we measure AC voltage. And here DC voltage 600, 200 volt, 20 volt, 2 volt and 200 millivolt. Ampere, DC ampere means DC current. To measure DC current, range is this 200 microampere, then 2 milliampere, 20 milliampere, 200 milliampere, 10 ampere. And here is ohm, unit of resistor, ohm. To measure the value of resistor, we use this range from 200 ohm, 2k, 20k, 200k, 2 mega ohm. And this sign is of symbol of diode. Now taking this selector, select this knob on 2k, we check where diode is okay or not. Also LED check in this position. Now here is this is for continuity, to measure the continuity of wire or any component. And this HFE, NPN and PNP. Here are 8 holes for 4 holes for NPN and 4 holes for PNP transistor. And HFE, we measure here HFE, beta, emitter, collector, base and emitter. This knob is rotate in 360 degree. Hold round it take. Now off, knob is on, off. Back light, by pressing this yellow button we say light, and we see clear reading. When it is not and this is hold. This button is used